If you're looking for a recently renovated, open plan, sea views, golf views villa in the heart of the Gulf Valley here in Nueva Andalucía, look no further. This is Villa Florence. So if you love the Mediterranean styling as much as I do, but you also love this very modern, very open plan, very light and very, very high quality finishes, well then you have something very unique in this house. Not to mention the area, but I don't want to spoil anything. Come on through. Immediately when you walk in here, aside from these very cool and modern and wrought iron, and that's an important thing, we're going to talk about that afterwards because that's part of this style. You see this really, really high ceiling here, and of course this amazing glass and wrought iron door giving all this light. And what is so cool about this house, amongst so many other things, is how bright and how open plan it is. With over 500 square meters, this is a large house for sure. It's got 5 bedrooms, it's got 6 bathrooms, but it's how the space is being used. I'm sure you, like me, have seen a lot of very big houses. They don't use the space very well. This all flows perfectly. So starting here at the kitchen, which is very large also, aside from these beautiful views of the pool and the garden and everything else, you can see your guests if they're sitting at the dining area. You can see your guests if they're sitting watching TV, but of course you can see them outside as well. So as we move forwards, and I don't want to stay here all day because there's so much to see in this house, I just need to point out, because this house has so many cool, quirky things, is this vaulted ceiling. Not just that it's vaulted, not just that it has these lovely wooden beams, but that they're white. It's a very beach house effect. It gives so much more of a sense of light and space. One of the great things about buying a property that is older and then doing the renovation yourself is you don't have to wait until the gardens are lush and mature, because they already are. You get that privacy, but still you have those beautiful views, and you can add this lovely modern touch. It's over 1,000 square meters, and of course the location is second to none. I particularly love this area for barbecuing and al fresco dining, but while I'm here, let's talk about the area a little bit because it's very important. As I said, we are in the Gulf Valley of Nueva Andalucía, specifically in Los Naranjos. The Los Naranjos Golf Club is only a few meters away. You're only 5 minutes from San Pedro, you're only 5 minutes from Puerto Banús, you're only about 7 minutes from Marbella Center. In fact, you're only 40 minutes away from Malaga. You really couldn't get a better location. So before we head up to the master suite, and I promise you it's worth the wait, we have this hidden door. So the guests can hide away, or you can hide away perhaps. And now for my favorite part of the house. This, the master suite of master suites, it has integrated music system, it has these amazing white beams, and yeah, you have quite a lot of space there in the wardrobe, but you also have this seating area with a fireplace, a huge TV that you can really enjoy your rest and relaxation. I feel like I'm missing something. Let me think. Oh yeah, this is what really makes this place so amazing. The ensuite, and do you know something? It feels so wrong to call it an ensuite because it's so much more. Where do you even begin? Freestanding bath with underlighting, twin basins, hidden shower, vaulted ceilings, and this incredible walk-in closet that even has a window behind you. You can see all the way through, and you've got views from here partially to sea and golf. And if you do want to have some privacy here, we have electric closing blinds. And what great house would not have a great lower level? This doesn't disappoint. Of course, you have the bodega, a bit of foosball, which is always a lot of fun. You have a cinema area just here. You have a bar area just there, and you have a gymnasium. Of course, you have a garage space for one car, which currently has a Tesla in it. And maybe, if you play your cars right, that will come with the house. And finally, how about some more hidden doors? What's behind this? Look, another bedroom that's en suite. How about here? You have a guest toilet right here. And also behind you, you have another bedroom that is en suite as well. And it has a lock, so you can come and go as you please. You have underfloor heating, you have a domotic system. This house has everything. And last but not least, this private terrace off the master suite, half covered, half not. And these awesome views. To get sea views and golf views here in the Gulf Valley in Nueva Andalucía is pretty much unheard of. Now, if you've enjoyed this tour as much as I've enjoyed showing this house, make sure to click the link below, get in contact with us, and come and see this property with us. But for now, I'm out. See you later.